24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Square. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. These books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the introduction to square shape. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Learning objectives. Students should be able to identify and draw a square, sort shapes based on one characteristic. This is where we begin to incorporate counting with our shapes because we count 4 sides to make sure it's a square. Like a circle, square is everywhere in our daily lives. So it becomes exciting for the children to be able to recognize them. Tell the children that they will be identifying square shapes. Show the children 2D shape of square. Tell them its name and describe its properties like it is a square. It has 4 corners, 4 sides, all are equal, and 2 faces. Show different objects related to the shape like handkerchief, photo frames, books, CDs, covers, etc. Tell the children that the face of these objects is square. From construction paper, cut squares in assorted size, 1 for each child. Gather a number of classroom materials, large and small. Have the children take turns naming one of the items and predicting whether it is fit inside their square. Have each child place his or her item in the square to check the prediction. While the child is experimenting, sing the following song as a group. Play a game with the children, that is, the treasure hunt activity. Your students will enjoy discovering and learning about square shapes. Cut the colored paper into different shapes such as circle, square, etc. Cut as many shapes as you need. Fill the plastic container or the box with wheat flour. Place the paper cutouts in the floor and mix them all. Now ask a child to find the square shapes hidden in the floor. Every time they find a shape, call out the shape name loudly so that they learn it. Once they're adept of remembering the names, you can ask them to find different objects from their classroom that are of square shape. Encourage them to draw a square in there with their finger. Draw different shapes, for example, circles, squares, triangles, etc. on the writing board and ask children to identify the square shapes. Reinforcement worksheet of the square can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.